Welcome to our channel, where today you'll discover the precise steps to verify your VIPKid teacher account and start teaching confidently. Welcome to our channel, and let's dive right into the process of verifying your VIPKid teacher account step by step. The verification process is crucial, as it ensures that you are ready and authorized to teach on their platform. First, after submitting your application and passing the initial interview or demo lesson, you will receive instructions from VIPKid on how to verify your identity. This usually involves providing a clear and valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure your document is up to date and the photo clear to avoid delays. Next, you will be asked to upload a selfie holding your ID next to your face. This step is essential to confirm that the ID belongs to you. When taking this photo, ensure good lighting and a neutral background for clarity. The third step involves submitting your proof of education. VIPKid typically requires at least a bachelor's degree, so have an electronic copy of your diploma or transcripts ready to upload. After your documents are submitted, the verification team will review them carefully. This review can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, so patience is key. Once your account is verified, you will gain access to the full teacher dashboard and be able to schedule classes with students. Remember to check your email regularly for any follow-up requests or confirmation emails from VIPKid. If any issues arise during the verification process, don't hesitate to reach out to VIPKid's support team for assistance. Following these steps thoroughly will ensure you are fully verified and ready to embark on your teaching journey with confidence.